friends, how are you? I hope you are doing good. Today I want to show you exactly how many views you need in order to get paid on YouTube. Before I tell you exactly how many views you need in order to get paid on YouTube, I want to tell you this thing. After February 2018, YouTube changed the condition of being paid on YouTube. Before that time, you could be paid on YouTube after reaching 20,000 number of views on YouTube, without regarding the number of subscribers you have. Then later they said that the condition you need to get paid on YouTube is having 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So after that condition means that even one video is enough for you to get paid on YouTube. What you only need is to get the conditions that exactly is needed by YouTube for you to start paid on YouTube. Means that even if it is one video, then it gets above the condition that is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. After that condition, then you could get paid on YouTube. But there is no exactly number of views you need in order to get started, in order to get paid on YouTube. I always tell on how you can grow on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe, then I'm going to show you more details on how you can make money on YouTube. Thank you for watching.